Hi, I'm Ellie and I'm here to tell you about our great smart home cloud alarm, the Era HomeGuard Pro. The alarm is a doddle to set up. You simply connect the hub to your home Wi-Fi, download the free app, then you can access your alarm hub from anywhere and at any time, all via your smartphone. All your information and updates are stored in the cloud, so everything is at your fingertips when you need it. And the fully integrated smart home security system allows you to monitor multiple locations from one account. You can choose who gets access to your home with timed or anytime access and revoke when needed. And the personalised alert log gives you peace of mind of knowing who has accessed your property and at what time. Your network is alerted quickly with simultaneous alerts to as many people as you choose. We have a number of kits available in the HomeGuard range, and you can expand it at any time with additional wireless accessories, such as range extenders, further sirens, additional sensors, and even water detectors. Find out more at responseelectronics.com.